I don't think people understand just how spooky the universe can sound. Until now. Imagine floating in the vast expanse of space. It's not silent like you'd think. NASA has captured real audio from space, and it's haunting. From the eerie whispers of Jupiter's magnetic field, to the spine-chilling sounds of black holes, the universe sings a creepy symphony. These sounds aren't just noise. They're telling us stories. Stories of cosmic events and mysteries yet to be solved. So, next time you look up at the stars, remember, space is alive with sound. And it's far from quiet. Want to hear more? Hit that like button and subscribe to the Unsolved Universe for more cosmic wonders.